Hello, welcome to me. My name is Teacher Katie. What's your name?
My name is Prisha Chaudhary.
It's great to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Brilliant. Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Wow, cool. How are you today, Prishna?
I'm nice.
I am nice. Good, good. Do you have any pets?
No.
No pets, no. Do you like animals?
Yes.
Yeah, great. What is your favorite animal?
Dogs.
Dogs. Okay, cool. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. So you like blue cats. What about your favorite food?
I like to eat pizza and pasta.
Yum, pizza and pasta. Wow, great. And what do you like to do on the weekends?
I like to play with my friends and I like to go to park
Mm-hmm.
and read storybooks.
Yes. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Wow, great. What kinds of things do you draw?
I like to draw a sketch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great. So you like to draw, play in the park with your friends. You like blue. You like dogs. That's great. Okay, Prisha, welcome to Cambly. Today is your first lesson, so welcome. You're very welcome. So we're going to start Intermediate English 2. So we're going to learn, Prisha, about parties, seasons, and routines. So today will be a very easy lesson, okay? We're just getting to know each other. We will learn how to introduce yourself to a friend, talk about likes and dislikes, and agree or disagree with an opinion. So, Prisha, can you do some reading for me?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Can you read out the slide?
Hi there. My name is Eva. I'm 12 years old.
Absolutely perfect. Well done. That's great. What about David?
What's up? My name is David. I'm 13 years old.
That's it. Absolutely amazing. Well done. So let's practice. Prisha, what is your name?
My name is Prisha Chaudhary.
Good. And can you ask me?
What is your name?
Good. My name is Katie. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Can you ask me?
How old are you?
I am 30 years old. Well done. Good job. Okay. So, Eva is from Peru. Pressure, do you know where Peru is?
No.
No? It's in South America. Yeah. So in Peru, they speak Spanish and they're very famous for llamas and ruins, historical ruins. And David is from Germany. Prisha, do you know where Germany is?
No.
No, that's okay. So Germany's quite near England. And what language do they speak in Germany, Prisha? Do you know?
Yes.
Yes, what?
They speak German.
That's great. Yeah, in Germany they speak German. That's brilliant. Well done. So where are you from?
I am from India.
Good. Can you ask me?
Where are you from?
I am from the UK. Prisha, can you see your flag on the screen?
Yes.
Good. Can you circle it?
Yes.
Good. Wow, so that's the Indian flag. Lovely. And what colours do you have on the Indian flag?
Saffron,
Yeah.
white and green.
Yeah. And what is in the middle?
It's Ashoka Chakra.
And what's that?
That is in between of our flags.
Right, cool. That's brilliant. Okay, great. So let's practice. I'll be Eva and you can be David. Is that okay, Prisha?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, hi, my name is Eva.
Hey Eva, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. What about you?
Wow, I just moved here from Peru.
See you later, Eva.
Brilliant, well done. Okay, so Eva speaks English and Spanish. Can you guess what David speaks, Prisha?
David
Germany,
speaks English
German and
and
English.
German.
Yeah, that's it. Well done. German and English. Very good. And what languages do you speak?
I speak Hindi and English.
Hindi. We'll add that on. Hindi and English. Well done. Prisha, can you circle?
Yes.
Good. English and Hindi. Well done. Good job. And Prisha, do you like to speak English?
Yes.
Good. You are very good at speaking English.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So, Eva's favourite food is seafood. Prisha, do you like seafood?
No.
No. That's okay. What about bread? Do you like bread?
Yes.
Yeah. What kinds of bread do you like?
I like Indian breads.
Indian bread. And what's that called?
And some examples of Indian bread are roti and
Roti. Mm-hmm.
uh, chapati.
Yes. Great. Yeah, lovely. Oh, very tasty bread. And what about sweet things? Do you like sweet things?
Yes.
Yeah. What kinds of sweet things do you like?
I like in India there's a sweet dish called moti chur ke laddu. So I
Uh-huh.
like to eat that.
Right. Can you type for me, Prisha? Ah, okay, thank you. Let me Google it. One moment. And I will see what it looks like. Oh, lovely. Okay. So it is sweet. Yum. And what's it made out of?
I don't know.
I don't know.